I swear to God, there's like a fucking fire every single week. Like, somebody does not know how to cook and they keep trying. Like, what the fuck? What is like, who is cooking? Like, I think I see the firemen more than I see my mom. Now I'm gonna listen to this alarm. Why is there so many obstacles in this, like, today? What's going on? Like, it's gonna be like, wee, 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 and I'm gonna be like, oh my god, what is the rhythm? Then I have to be like, okay, it's a 1/3 rhythm, like, remove that. Oh my. I'm literally not gonna leave this building. I don't care if I die in this Okay, it's over. Sorry, I had to mute because the fire alarm went on. I don't know what floor, but it wasn't mine, so I didn't leave. Everybody was like, let's go! And I'm like, no, bro. Don't copy me, guys. Always go down when you have a fire, okay? I always wanted everybody to call me One-chan. I'm gonna get demonetized.